We're going to do another one. Probably won't be till January, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's coming. All right, so tonight's pattern. So we started out with just basic right side pass and the side pass stuff. So we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We did a fold, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We did a spinning left side pass, free release, 5 and 6. That was the warm up. And then the cool kids way to do that stuff. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. And that was the pattern. Let's do it one more time from this direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Right side pass, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Sugar drape, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. And that is it. Thank you guys very much. Wes will be up very shortly, and I'll see you guys, I'll see you back Wednesday night for two-step, of course. All right, have a great rest of the weekend, what's left of it. Robert, it's all yours. Gail.